Hi, welcome to Libro Money School. How many of you out there have a mortgage? How many want to pay it off?
Sooner. How many of you want to be mortgage-free?
I think it's fairly clear what this episode of Money School is about.
Asking questions of an audience that we can't see?
No, it's about mortgage freedom.
No one actually enjoys having a mortgage.
But everyone watching this has one.
Let's change that.
Fast. That's freedom rule number 1.
What's rule 1?
Speed is everything. The longer it takes you to pay down a mortgage, the more interest you pay. Pay faster, earlier, sooner in fewer years and months, and pay less. The less you pay, the easier it is to pay off.
That got complicated.
Then just remember this. Faster equals less equals sooner.
Nice. Everyone on side? Now the tough part, finding the money to reduce that mortgage sooner.
So let's start there. You need to free up financial elbow room.
Make a budget. Reduce monthly spending by $100, times 2 if you're a couple. That will add up to $2,400 per year.
Then use that $2,400 to pay down the mortgage principal owing on every anniversary.
Or to make finding the money a little less painful, start paying your mortgage bi-weekly. When you pay bi-weekly, you end up with 2 extra payments that go directly against the principal.
That supports the faster, less, sooner formula.
Want proof? Here's the math. Let's say you have a $200,000 mortgage. Interest is 4%. Amortization is 25 years.
You decide to take our advice and budget for $100 savings per month each, adding up to a $2,400 lump sum mortgage principal reduction every year.
You'll save $32,000 interest over the period of the mortgage, and you'll reduce the time it takes to get mortgage-free by 6 years.
6 years extra without a mortgage? I can do that.
Everyone can, with a little help from a coach. The faster you pay, the less you pay, and the sooner you're mortgage-free.
While you may start out by amortizing your mortgage over 25 years to get favorable payments, that doesn't mean you should keep renewing at 25 years.
Use a calculator like this to determine the optimum payment you can afford.
Get help from a Libro coach. The shorter the amortization, the less interest you pay. The less interest you pay, the more principal you pay down. And that's the surest path to mortgage freedom there is.
But why do it? Money is cheap. Interest rates are low. Everyone tells me I should focus on investing for tomorrow.
All that's true, but here's another way to look at it. First, interest will inevitably rise. Even just a point of interest or 2 can increase your payments dramatically. Here's a $100,000 mortgage payment at 3%. Here's the same mortgage payment at 4.5%. That's quite a difference.
Second, you don't want to carry a large debt like a mortgage into your retirement years. Aim to have your home paid for at least 5 years before you retire.
Third, building your net worth is the long-term goal pre-retirement. That's why you invest. But paying down debt contributes to net worth growth just as much as investing does.
At Libro, we think a balanced approach to paying down debt and investing for the future is the best approach.
Finally, and here's the real carrot. When you do get truly mortgage-free, you have this wonderful chunk of money available to you every month.
Yay, freedom! Use it to create the lifestyle you want.
Put some aside for retirement savings and investing.
Put some into the education fund if that's relevant.
And by all means, put some into your fun fund.
Hey, say fun 3 times.
Mortgage freedom is a big deal. Celebrate. Use a little of the extra money for a trip. Get that new kitchen. Keep setting the money aside as if you were still paying the mortgage, but instead of aiming at debt, focus it on freedom.
Owning your home outright is the foundation of most financial plans for the majority of Southwest Ontarians.
Paying less for it over time is as easy as reducing the time it takes to pay it off.
Speed is everything.
All those who agree, raise your hands. See, they're getting faster already.
Talk to your Libro coach today and put together a plan for paying down your mortgage sooner.
And discover freedom. Thanks for joining us.